Hello. It is often a matter of discussion whether infertility causes stress or stress causes infertility. Well, most of my patients, almost all patients of infertility are under a lot of stress. Now, this stress is because the problem itself, it is something that so many other couples are able to conceive without any efforts, while there are some unfortunate ones who have to visit the doctors again and again and spend so much money, do so many investigations, and sometimes still they don't get a result. Very often the financial constraints are also very overwhelming, and there is no guarantee that the treatment will always be successful. Sometimes the treatment is successful, but unfortunately even miscarriages can happen. So we see a lot of anxiety and lot of depression amongst patients who are undergoing treatment for infertility. Stress is there everywhere. There can be work related stress, there can be career related stress, there can be stress of having a work life and a home life, both balancing together, and there can be financial stress. So all these stress combined together can cause infertility because the patients are not in the best frame of their mind to have regular intercourse during the fertile period. Reproductive health depends a lot on the correct functioning of the hormones. Sometimes the hormones will not do their job well if the patient is internally disturbed. So very often the medicines also of infertility cause a lot of mood swings and depression. So overall, treatment of infertility does lead to a lot of stress. The best way to manage this: first, focus on the solutions. Don't focus on the problem of infertility. Effective communication, not only with your partner but with your doctor and with the counselors. Understanding the problem and being educated about the problem. Exactly what is going wrong, what is the treatment, what are the positive outcomes, what are the negative outcomes. So to understand the problem and be educated about the problem is the best way to deal with the problem. And lastly, the good mindful meditation of giving positive vibes, positive inputs, and doing a series of yoga or meditation and pranayama will help you. And exercise has its own benefit of releasing endorphins, which will help you deal with the stress.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.